Hi, I'm Laura Campo, and today I'm going to show you how to reduce fractions using prime factorization. To start off, let's consider the following fraction. First, figure out the sign of the answer. Negative divided by negative is positive. Find the prime factorization of the numerator. 90 equals 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. Next, figure out the prime factorization of the denominator. 72 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Look for factors in the numerator that match with factors in the denominator. Here we have 2 divided by 2, 3 divided by 3, and another 3 divided by 3. Notice that we denote the division or canceling using slashes. These factors will disappear from the fraction because they divide out to equal 1. Multiply the remaining factors in the numerator. Here we only have a 5. Next, multiply the remaining factors in the denominator. 2 times 2 equals 4. Here we have our final answer, 5/4.